Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very impressive movement today. I mean, to think that this actually started off with a gap down, the price then came all the way down to there, and then not only did it recover, it just kept on going. And not only did it keep on going, it actually got up to that resistance and then even broke through that level of resistance. So a pretty crazy day today with all things considered, and definitely some updates here need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the newest area of support and the key level to watch moving forward is now going to be the $45 mark. And 45 is important. I'm not going to say it's a be all end all or anything, but it's relatively important because as far as this breakout movement is concerned, the last thing you would want to see the breakout do is go right back to where it was inside of this channel. And again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why I can say, relative to the breakout that happened today and the question, okay, yeah, it broke out. Is this a true breakout? Is this a genuine breakout? Well, let's just see if the price can make progress. And that's where 45 is important because, no breakout can go straight up. So maybe it does come down here. The difference being behaves in that manner and then start to work its way back upwards. So what would that breakout be doing at that point? Well, it'd be putting in a low there, and compared to those other lows, and then if you envision those as stair steps, that would still be making progress in the upwards direction. So again, in order to make progress, does not mean that the price needs to go straight up. It just needs to start to build some higher bases, and that quote-unquote higher base, in my opinion at least, is staying up above that $45 mark. Now, as far as areas of resistance, next big battleground to watch moving forward, not until up around the $51 mark. So there's still some room for this current breakout to move. Not that I'm saying it's going to go straight up to 51, but just, technically speaking and looking back here through the history of the chart, there just aren't any other, major areas that suggest levels of resistance. So we'll see what happens with it going forward, but definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be watching it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.